Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Be Topper with me. So today we are going to start The Lost Child of class 9th English first chapter of book Moments. So The Lost Child is the story which is written by Mulk Raj Anand. Okay, so let us begin. So story starts from this paragraph. Let us read it out. A child goes to a fair with his parents. He is happy and excited and wants the sweets and toys displayed there. Now, there is a child who is going to the fair with his parents. Now, we all are familiar with the word fair, right? We all go to the fair with our parents, right? Or our friends. So, he is so happy and excited and he wants the sweets and toys displayed there. Like in fair there are many sweets, toys and all many so many stuff there displayed in different shops. So he wants that all of thing, but his parents don't buy them for him. Why then does he refuse when someone else offer them to him? Now here the question is asked. Then in further story we'll read that when someone else is offering the same thing to him which his parents refuse to buy, now the child is also refusing that he don't want anything. Now why is that so? That reason will come to know in the further chapter. So let us start. It was the festival of spring. From wintry shades of narrow lanes and alleys emerged a gaily clad humanity. Now what this line says, from wintry shades. It's spring, it's festival of spring, so wintry shades. It's described how it was looking of narrow lanes and allays emerge a gaily clad humanity. Now, what is the meaning of allays? Allays means narrow roads. You can note it down in your textbook itself, or you can write in another piece of paper too. The meaning of all words I'm saying. So, allays means narrow roads. Emerged means came out. So, narrow roads came out. So, from this line, what they are saying, from narrow roads, what came out? A gaily clad humanity. Now, what is the meaning of this? Happily dressed human. Gaily means happily, clad humanity means dressed human. So, what this line says that allays emerged a gaily clad humanity means from narrow roads, happily dressed humans came out. Okay. Some walked, some rode on horses, others sat being carried in bamboo and bullock carts. Now it is described that some were walking, some were riding on horse, some were in bamboo and bullock carts. So it is mentioned how all the people were there. One little boy ran between his father's leg, brimming over with life and laughter. Now one little boy ran between his father's leg, brimming over with life and laughter. What is the meaning of brimming? Brimming means full of or top of. Now, what the child was full of? Full of life and laughter. So, that child was full of life and laughter. I hope this paragraph you understood. Here, only the description is given that how everything was there, how people were going, and how this child was full of life and laughter. Now, let us come to next part. Come, child, come, called his parents as he lagged behind. Now, his parents called him. Come, child, come. So, his parents were calling him as he lagged behind, means as he was left behind. Fascinated by toys in the shop that were lined away. He was fascinated, means attracted by the toys in the shops that were lined away, means that were on the way. So he was attracted by the toys so much that were lined away. So that is the reason why he was lagged behind. Okay. He hurried towards his parents, his feet obedient to their call, his eyes still lingering on the receding toys. Now he was an obedient child. Here it is saying he hurried towards his parents, his feet obedient to their call. His eyes still lingering on the receding toys means his eyes were still on that toys itself, lasting long on that toys itself. Okay, lingering means lasting long. On the receding toys means the toys which were left behind in the shops. Still he was looking to that only. He was attracted by the toys. Now the one important things come here. We will write that how many things he was attracted with, because there are many times questions asked on them. So first, he was attracted by toys. You can also write with me, what all he was attracted with? Make a list of this, what all he was attracted with. So first comes in the list toys, right? Now let's move further. As he came to where they had stopped to wait him. Now he came. Like his parents was waiting for him, so he came at that place where they were waiting. He could not suppress the desire of his heart, even though he well knew the old cold stare of refusal in their eyes. Now he could not suppress, he could not stop himself, stop the desire of his heart, that he wanted the toy. He was like so much attracted to that toy, even though he knew the old core stare of refusal in their eyes, even though he knew that his parents is not going to buy him that toy, but still he could not stop himself from asking them. Okay, I want that toy, he pleaded. Now what he said, I want that toy, he pleaded, he pleased, he requested to his parents. His father looked at him red eyed in his familiar tyrant's way. Now what is his father looked at him red eyed, means like very scary eyes, in his familiar tyrant's way. Tyrant's way means crucial way. Like how his father is doing every time, he understood that he is not happy with me. He is telling me in angerness. In crucial way, his father looked at him. His mother, melted by the free spirit of the day, was tender, and giving him her finger to hold, and said, now his mother was soft hearted. Melted means soft hearted by the spirit. Now what she does, she melted his child, she melted the boy, that look at the happiness of the day, how tender it was giving, and she gave her finger to him and said, look child, what is before you? Like, now what happened, this is with whenever anyone or our father or anyone scold us, our mother try to distract us, right? So here the same case is that his mother is distracting him, so that on different things. So what she said to distract him, look child, what is before you? It was flowering mustard field, pale like melting gold, as it swept across miles and miles even land. I hope you all understand what is flowering mustard field. Pale like melting gold means it was like color like melting gold. It was like melting gold. How is the color of melting gold? It was like that, swept across the miles and miles of even land. Okay, so I hope you understood this much, and you have also written the meanings with me. In today's lecture we'll understand only this much. Further story will complete in our next part. So I hope you all understood these 2 pages, and don't forget to write the meanings and understand this, because the words used here are very hard, and sometimes it's difficult for us to understand the words. So don't forget to like this video, share with all your friends, comment down if you have any doubt in this chapter, any doubt in what we understood today. And if you also want any other video, this type of video, then you can also comment me down. And don't forget to subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you for watching this video.